Woodlands Classical Academy. It's Miss Bannon. I'm coming to you from the great outdoors. And today, I'm wearing my spirit shirt. It's a night. This week, we're celebrating Earth Day. So the story today is Power Up to Fight Pollution. What's pollution? Look that up and let me know. The author is Lisa Bullard and the illustrator is Wes Thomas. This book is written on a level K. Chapter 1, The Pollution Problem. Can you guess who I am under this mud? It's me, Tyler. And this is my dog, Pete. We get dirty when we play outside. It's easy for us to wash up afterward. But cleaning up the earth isn't so easy. Today in school, which I'm at school right now, right guys? I learned about pollution.
Pollution.
The action of polluting something. Some things people do make the earth's land, the air, and the water dirty. I'm working to save the planet, so I'd better learn how to make less pollution. Pollution isn't good for people or animals. Breathing dirty air or drinking dirty water can make us sick. Things such as smoke from forest fires can cause pollution, but most pollution comes from the things people do. Driving cars pollute the air. Dumping garbage in lakes and rivers pollutes the water. Chapter 2, A Superpower Saver. Stopping pollution isn't easy. Making power can cause pollution. And we use power for many tasks, including cooking a pizza. So that's a problem, unless you like uncooked pizza. So power, possession of control, authority, or influence over others. I don't think that's the power we're talking about. An independent state, or I think we're talking more about an adjective relating to supplying or using power, maybe a verb, to supply with power, energy. Coal is a black or dark brown rock that people dig up. We often burn coal to make power. This makes the air dirty. We can get cleaner power from wind, water, or the sun. My teacher says I can save power. Can you look at this picture and tell me all of the things you can do to save power? Your power company tells you how much power your family uses. You can check each month with a parent. See if you can make the number go down. I can turn off the lights when I leave a room, or turn off the computer when I'm finished with it. I'm going to be a superpower saver. Chapter 3, The 3 R's. People make lots of trash. Trash means more pollution. To make less trash, remember, reduce, reuse, and recycle. Littering is one kind of pollution. Litter is trash in the wrong place. Pieces of litter can be small, like a gum wrapper on the sidewalk, but litter adds up. Reduce means to use less of something. I'll draw on the back of my paper too. That way I'll use half as much paper. Reuse means to use something again. Maybe I'll wear my older cousin's last year's jeans. Recycle means to change something you don't need into something useful. I sort bottles, cans, and paper instead of throwing them away. A truck will take everything to a recycling center. Companies will make new things from my recycling. Companies use recycling cans to make new cans. They can use recycled paper to make new paper. Sometimes they turn recycled plastic bottles into carpet or t-shirts. Imagine that.
New.
Chapter 4. More ways to help. My family and I do errands by bike. That way we don't use our car. And Pete likes it when we walk instead of drive. Pick a fun place close to your home. It could be a park, or you can't really go to a friend's house right now, but you might be able to walk to the retail store, maybe later on Friday. Ask your family to help you learn how to walk or bike there instead. Someday, you'll be able to do it alone all by yourself. Did you know that trees fight pollution? Trees take in pollution from air and water. They send out the kind of air people need to breathe. We need oxygen, and we take in oxygen, give out carbon dioxide. Look into that. They can clean the air and water. I asked my family to plant one for my birthday. And Arbor Day's coming up soon. What's Arbor Day? I've got lots of work to do to stop pollution. Maybe you can help. Then I can find another way to save the planet tomorrow. Follow the pollution path activity. Pollution is sneaky. It can start out in one place, then it can pop up again far away. How does it do that? Good question. Here's one example of how this can work. Read the steps, then look at the picture. Can you follow this pollution path? Number 1, dirty smoke from a factory blows into the air. Can you put your finger on that picture? Number 2, wind blows the dirty air all around. Number 3, the dirty air mixes with rain. Number 4, the dirty rain falls on land and a river. They become dirty too. Number 5, the dirty river water flows to an ocean. And then what do you think happens? Well, number 6, the dirty ocean water spreads far and wide. It carries the dirty water to land far away. The glossary. That tells us the vocabulary words that are in the story. Coal.
Coal.
A piece of glowing or charred wood.
Factory.
A building or set of buildings equipped for manufacturing.
Litter.
Litter is material spread in areas where farm animals are kept, especially to absorb. Nope, I don't think it's that kind of litter. I think it is trash that a person puts in the wrong place. Pollution.
Pollution.
The action of polluting. Things that make Earth's land, air, and water dirty. Recycle. To turn trash into something that people can use. Do you have a green recycling can? Reduce. To use less of something.
Reduce.
and reuse. To use again, especially in a different way. So next week, I hope you can get maybe just a little trash bag and go around your house, maybe down your street, and pick up little pieces of trash that might get into the drain. And then it goes all the way to the rivers and the lakes and the oceans, and it kills our fish. Help clean up. Send me an email, mbannon@responsiveed.com, and tell me, what is Arbor Day? When is Arbor Day? I'll talk to you soon.